All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can compress your PDF files for free using a couple of different tools that you can just Google, because I literally just looked up websites that let you compress PDFs for free. And you've got some pretty good contenders here, like Adobe, who is the original creators of the PDF, or at least the people that they acquired were the original people who created the PDF files. There's also SmallPDF, Canva, which has a PDF compressor, which we might also check out, and then PDF 24 Tools, which is another tool. All of these offer you the ability to compress your PDFs for free up to 100% smaller, which is a lot. So for the sake of this demonstration, I have this label PDF, and it's like 28.2 megabytes. So we're going to see how this does on all of these different websites. So Adobe offers to just let you drag and drop the PDF, and then you can determine how much you want to compress it to sort of like an ideal file size once it's uploaded. Although I will say, should upload pretty quickly and process pretty quickly, being that it's only 28 megabytes. So high compression as it's recommended, that compresses it down to an estimated 4.8 megabytes, which isn't bad. So let's go ahead and compress that bad boy and see how that does. And most of these tools all function relatively the same way. So this actually compressed down to 205.17 kilobytes, and I can re-download this. Or I can sign in to Adobe to save it for later, so it won't be deleted, but I wouldn't necessarily need to do that. So I could just click this to download it, and I can just put it in my own little PDF compressor folder here. Hit save, and then let's see what happens if we went to SmallPDF. So this one offers you a size reduction up to 99%. It's compliant with GDPR and ISO and IEC 2701 compliant, all that good stuff. So let's drag and drop. So let's drag and drop into here and see what that does for me. I feel like most of these are probably running off of the same general technology, so they should all be fairly comparable. But you never know until you try when it comes to these compression deals. So this one only lets you do basic compression. If you want to do strong compression, you got to pay for it. So what do I get if I do a basic compression? So it goes from 30 kilobytes down to 183. That's even better than Adobe did. So that's good. What happens if I do the one from Canva? So Canva, sort of same idea. You just drag and drop into here. I really don't want to sign in with anything though. So can I continue? Okay, well, Canva's out because they want me to log in, so I don't really feel like doing that. PDF 24 Tools, what do you got for me? We'll drag and drop here and see what it does for me. I will say the upload speed for some of these tools, not really razzling my dazzle, considering this is literally 28.2 megabytes of size. Should be done in literally the snap of your fingers, especially with my file or with my internet speed, but I guess it is what it is. Okay, it's uploaded. Let's see what we get when we try to compress it. No change to the color, image quality. I mean, I'll just go with its recommended settings and see what we get. If you're looking for super hyper realistic images, over compressing them is not going to be your friend. But when you gotta save space, you gotta save space. So this one, compress it down to from 28.27 megabytes to 300 kilobytes. So it looks like the winner then is going to be smallpdf.com for those who are interested. It lets you compress your PDFs for free, and the free version lets you compress them down the most out of these other free websites and doesn't require you to pay for it. So I can only imagine what a free trial would get you when it comes to being able to compress them more. And also they have some basic editing capabilities in here, which I'm not terribly interested in looking at. But if you're curious, you can look at them right here and play around with them on your own at home. I guess there's also an AI assistant, which I don't know if I want AIs poking at my PDFs. So yeah, check it out for yourselves. This has been a brief look at the top tools to compress your PDFs for free. Adobe did a good job. SmallPDF did a good job. Canva requires a login to even use their free one, so they're off the Christmas card list. And PDF 24 tools did the worst, but they're all within like 100 kilobytes of each other. So if you had to use this and these other two were having like network problems, wouldn't be a big deal, because 300 kilobytes is still a heck of a lot less than 298.2 megabytes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.